Hi, I'm Luiza, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a page holder out of resin. They are really easy to make and they're the perfect gift for anybody who's an avid reader. And the great part is that you can customize it however you like. You can use glitter, dried flowers, leaves, whatever you like. For this project I'm using UV resin. You can also use the traditional resin, but I enjoy the UV type a lot more because it cures faster as I'm really impatient. And for the customization I'm using some pink glitter. It's the one that has small and big pieces as well, as I feel like this is what gives it a bit more dimension. You want to make sure that you mix the glitter and the resin really well, as you don't want a part of the page holder to have a lot of glitter and a part to not have almost any. After you carefully pour it in the mold, you'll want to make sure that you pop any bubbles. That's really easy to do, you just need a lighter. Also, when working with resin, you want to make sure that you take all of the safety measurements that you can. Although you can see, I'm using a mask that is specifically made for toxic environments, as resin vapors aren't very healthy to be around. And ideally you should work in a well ventilated area, and if you have pets, make sure that they're not in the same room as you are. But don't worry, once it's cured under the UV lamp, it's all safe and you don't have to worry about it anymore. If you don't want to make this page holder but you would like to gift it to someone, you can find it on my small business website, and if you order now, it might still arrive in time for Christmas Day. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one, bye, and happy holidays!